Assalamu alaikum. This is Faiz Mahmood. Today we are going to start another series of lecture. Today we will learn idioms. Idioms are those expressions whose meanings are not obvious from looking at the individual words. If we start trying to understand the individual words, we will not be able to understand what the idiom is saying. Idioms have been developed over time. They have meanings. They have metaphorical or figurative meanings which have been attached to them through the common usage and over time. And if you don't know them, it will be impossible for you to understand the context in which these idioms have been used. So never look at the individual or literal meaning. Now, one idiom is before you. Hit the sack. Does it mean that hitting the sack, this one, like with a hammer, you are going to hit the sack? Sorry, hit the books. You are hitting the books. You are destroying the books. If we literally use this word hit and the books, it would mean that you are hitting or destroying the books, hitting the books with some hammer or like something else. But it means to start study. Hit the book means study. I have to hit the books. I have to study as I have to take the examination next month. Now, read the context in which this idiom has been used. I have to hit the books. Now, which context it has been used? I have to take the examination. This is the context in which this idiom has been used. I have to take the examination. What you do usually when you are going to take the examination, you study. So without the context, its meaning would not be clear. And if you start knowing the idioms in their context, you will be able to speak and write English as the native does. As they do, you will understand their speaking and you will understand their language much as they speak. Now, hit the sack. Similarly, if you take it in the literal meaning, it would mean you are hitting the sack. You are in a state of anger and you are expressing your anger or attitude by hitting the sack, or you are venting your anger, but it means to go to the bed. It's time to hit the sack. I'm so tired. I'm so tired. This is the context when you are tired. Where would you like the place? Which would be the place you would prefer when you are tired? So hit the sack means to go to bed. The sack means to go to the bed. Twist someone's arm. If you use it in the literal meaning, it means you are twisting someone's leg. You are causing some pain, or you are in trouble with someone, or you are fighting with someone if you go after the literal meanings of this idiom, twist someone's arm. It means art of convincing others or pressurize someone to do something. This is a kind of pressurizing something, or in other word, another meanings of this is to convince someone. I have twisted his arm so that he could give you a ticket to the concert. Ticket to the concert. These are the meanings. Twist someone's arms means convincing others or pressurizing others to do what they are not ready to do, to let them do what you want them to do. what they are reluctant to do. You convince them or you pressurize them to do what they are not willingly going to do. Stab someone's in the back. The literal meanings are stabbing, like this. Stabbing, if you go after the literal meaning of this idioms. But it means to hurt someone. When someone doesn't know, you cause some trouble or you are a source of hurting someone. But not literally. Not literally. The hurt doesn't mean here physically hurting. Hurting, it means figuratively hurting the expectations, hurting the feelings by a close friend, by your close friend. It means to break someone's trust. She stabbed in my back when she revealed the secret to my mother I entrusted her. I entrusted her with. She broke your trust. Breaking the trust means she hurt you. Hurt means here not physical, but hurting the feelings, hurting mentally. So stab someone in the back mean hurting the feeling or expectation of your close friend. This is what is meant by stabbing in the back. Stabbing in the back mean hurting someone's expectations. Lose your touch. Lose your touch mean lose your touch means this is not a losing of a touch. This is the touch. It doesn't mean that you lose your touch. To lose touch mean lose ability, talent, expertise, which you possess earlier to deal with things, to deal with people, to deal with situations. Like it seems you have lost touch with nature. You're not enjoying the calmness of serene beauty here. You are not enjoying the beauty. It means you have lost connectivity, a mental connectivity with things. You have lost the touch of your expertise which you show normally doing analysis of some situation. You have lost that. Lose your touch mean to lose the ability, to lose the talent, to lose the expertise which you possess earlier, but at present you don't have that expertise, or you are not showing that expertise anymore. Thank you very much for watching. We will be here with some more idioms and learn what their meanings are and how they are spoken by the natives. Thank you very much.